Hello, Beth Turnbull-Moorish, potter and teacher extraordinaire, coming to you from my new studio in Nairn, Ontario, Canada. I have been a practicing potter and teacher for 19 years now. And last year, my husband and I decided to follow our dreams and make the leap to move out to that dream house in the country. So that meant packing up my established studio of 15 years and putting everything into storage and moving out to the country, which also meant that I didn't have a pottery studio of my own to work in for almost 18 months now. And you know, the creative urge wells up inside of us. So I decided that when I opened this studio, I wanted to do something really special to commemorate and celebrate the occasion. So I came up with this idea for the 100 Mugs project. And over the past year and a half, when I haven't been creating my own work in clay, I have been using art journals for my creative outlet. And so I create these books with collage and pen and paint and ink and text, documenting the things and ideas that I'm thinking about and enamored with. And now I've decided to translate those pages into clay. So I'm creating 100 mugs, each numbered, signed, in series, each one of a kind, that will each have some text and imagery documenting the past year and a half, the ideas that I've been thinking about. So they tell the story of following your dreams and bringing the things that you love into your life. You know, faith and hope and nature and love and joy. And so you can own one of these beautiful mugs by pledging to back my project on Kickstarter. So Kickstarter, as you may or may not know, is a crowdfunding platform. It's the biggest art funder in the world. And it's a great way for creatives to bring their project to life. And so you just go to kickstarter.com, 100 Mugs Project, and you can read more about it there. You can see pictures of the mugs I made already. There's a couple here you can see in the background. And sign up. Click back this project and you can choose 1 mug or 4 or as many as you want. You can also choose a class to make your own mug. And I have till September 21st to meet my funding goal. And when I do, you will, receive notice. You will get the number that you picked in order. So if you were the 3rd person to pledge, you get the 3rd mug. And that's why they're not made to order, because they tell the story from the art journals from the last year and a half. I guarantee you're gonna love them. Everyone's unique. They've all got text and imagery on them. So this one is a scarab beetle, and in Egyptian culture, they meant luck and luxury, and they were also a guide in the afterlife to help you on your journey. And so this is a scarab beetle, and it says journey and transform. I really like this one. And this one it says rise, and it's got a bird on it, and it's blue, and bluebirds are a symbol for happiness, and simple. I'm going for beauty, pleasure, a joy to use. And everyone's different. It's got my name and the number on the bottom. So yeah, own a little piece of light and luxury in your life. Support artists, support me following my dream. Tell a friend. I think that's it. 100 Mugs Project, kickstarter.com. Right on. Thanks.